Imagine ordering an Uber's and there's no driver, just an empty car pulling up, doors unlocking by themselves. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. Waymo, Google's self-driving car company, is going global. From Atlanta to Tokyo, their robotaxis are hitting the streets. And this could change how we commute forever. While other companies have been making promises about self-driving technology for years, Waymo has been quietly perfecting it, and now they're expanding faster than anyone expected. In just a moment, I'll reveal which major city is next on their launch list, and why regulators are surprisingly comfortable with empty cars navigating busy streets. But first, let's understand exactly what Waymo is and why this expansion matters. For those who aren't familiar, Waymo is Alphabet's autonomous driving division. Alphabet is Google's parent company, and they've been working on self-driving technology longer than almost anyone else in the industry. What began as the Google self-driving car project back in 2009 has evolved into the most advanced and legally approved autonomous vehicle service in the United States. Unlike Tesla's full self-driving, which requires a human driver to remain alert and ready to take over, Waymo's vehicles are truly driverless. No one behind the wheel, no remote operator actively controlling the car. The company has methodically built its technology through millions of test miles, countless simulations, and gradual deployment in carefully selected environments. While competitors have made splashy announcements followed by delays or scaled back ambitions, Waymo has taken a more measured approach that's now paying off in a big way. In April 2025, Waymo made a major announcement that signals a new phase in autonomous driving. They're officially expanding into Atlanta, Georgia, with plans to launch driverless rides through Uber starting summer 2025. This isn't Waymo's first city, of course. They already operate successful commercial services in Phoenix, Arizona, where they've been offering completely driverless rides since 2020, and San Francisco, California, where they launched in 2023. They've also begun limited testing in Los Angeles, California, though that program is still in its early phases. What makes the Atlanta expansion significant is that it represents Waymo's entry into the dense, complex urban environment of the southeastern United States, a region with different driving cultures, weather patterns, and road infrastructure than their previous markets. But the expansion doesn't stop there. Waymo has revealed plans to enter Washington, D.C., Austin, Dallas, and Miami in the near future, creating a network of driverless cities across the country. Perhaps most surprisingly, Waymo is taking its first step toward global dominance with an international pilot in Tokyo, Japan, scheduled to begin in mid-2025. This marks a major milestone, the first time a US-developed autonomous driving system will operate commercially in Japan's notoriously complex and rule-intensive traffic environment. If you want to see more cities go driverless, or maybe even your own hometown, make sure you're subscribed. We'll keep tracking every new Waymo rollout as it happens, so you'll know exactly when robotaxis might be coming to your neighborhood. And in just a moment, I'll explain why Tokyo might be the perfect testing ground for proving autonomous vehicles can work anywhere. But first, let's look at what the Waymo experience is actually like for passengers. So what happens when you order a Waymo? The process starts with either the Waymo app or, thanks to their new partnership, the standard Uber app. You request a ride just like any other rideshare service, except there's an option to select a driverless vehicle. When the car arrives, currently either a modified electric Jaguar I-Pace or a Chrysler Pacifica, the first thing you'll notice is there's literally no one inside. No driver looking at their phone, no conversation to make, just an empty vehicle that's come to pick you up. The doors unlock automatically when you approach with your connected phone. Once inside, screens welcome you by name and provide voice-guided instructions for your journey. The vehicle's interior is designed to be intuitive for first-time riders, with clear information displays showing your route, estimated arrival time, and current speed. For safety and peace of mind, every Waymo vehicle includes a prominent emergency stop button and direct access to a customer support hotline. If you have questions or concerns during your ride, human support staff are available 24/7. The vehicles themselves are technological marvels, equipped with an array of sensors that create a 360-degree awareness of the surrounding environment. The signature spinning lidar on top of each car uses laser pulses to create a detailed 3D map of the surroundings, while radar and cameras provide additional layers of perception. All this data feeds into Waymo's AI system, which makes driving decisions based on a combination of real-time sensing and highly detailed pre-mapped environments. Would you feel safe getting into a car with with no one behind the wheel? Or would you hesitate, even for just a second? It's one thing to intellectually understand how the technology works, but it's another to actually trust your life to an algorithm as you zip through busy intersections. The biggest question most people have about driverless cars is simple. Are they safe? According to the data, the answer appears to be yes, and possibly safer than human drivers in many situations. Waymo has driven over 50 million miles on public roads and simulated more than 25 billion miles in virtual environments. Their vehicles have encountered virtually every driving scenario imaginable, from emergency vehicles with sirens blaring to construction zones with confusing temporary signage. The technology includes multiple safety layers, such as predictive obstacle detection that can anticipate the movement of pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. If a situation becomes too complex or uncertain, Waymo vehicles are programmed to take the most conservative action, usually slowing down or safely pulling over. Regulatory approval is perhaps the strongest evidence of Waymo's safety record. Transportation authorities in California, Arizona, and now Georgia have given the green light after extensive reviews of safety data and testing protocols. These aren't rubber stamp approvals. They involve detailed scrutiny of how the vehicles handle edge cases and unexpected situations. Insurance models for autonomous vehicles are still evolving, but Waymo has partnered with major providers to ensure comprehensive coverage for all passengers. In the event of an accident, which is statistically rare, passengers are protected by policies specifically designed for autonomous technology. What makes Waymo's expansion particularly significant is that this isn't an experimental pilot program anymore. It's a commercial service that real people use for everyday transportation needs. Their partnership with Uber is especially strategic, giving Waymo instant access to millions of potential riders who already use the app. Rather than building their own customer base from scratch, they can tap into an established ride-sharing ecosystem. The Tokyo expansion represents another level of achievement. Japan has some of the strictest road safety laws in the world, and gaining approval to operate there significantly boosts Waymo's credibility on the global stage. If their technology can handle Tokyo's densely packed streets, complex intersections, and unique traffic patterns, it can likely adapt to almost any urban environment worldwide. From a transportation perspective, driverless rides offer several advantages over traditional rideshare. No tipping is required, costs are potentially lower without driver compensation, and vehicles can operate 24/7 without human fatigue concerns. As the service scales up, these benefits could fundamentally change urban mobility economics. Despite their progress, Waymo still faces significant challenges. Public skepticism remains a barrier. Surveys consistently show that many people feel uncomfortable with the idea of riding in a car that has no human driver. Building trust will require both successful operations and effective communication about safety measures. Technical limitations also exist. Severe weather conditions like heavy snow and torrential rain can interfere with sensor systems. Additionally, some complex city layouts with unusual intersections or temporary road changes can still present difficulties for autonomous systems. The competitive landscape is also intensifying. Tesla continues to develop its full self-driving system, though it still requires human supervision. GM's Cruise division was making significant progress before recent setbacks. Rumors persist about Apple's secretive autonomous vehicle project, and in China, companies like Baidu's Apollo are rapidly advancing their own driverless technologies with substantial government support. Looking ahead, Waymo's roadmap is ambitious but methodical. They aim to be operational in 10 cities by the end of 2025, with European expansion planned for 2026. Each new market presents unique regulatory, infrastructure, and cultural challenges, but the company's track record suggests they're well positioned to navigate these complexities. The era of truly driverless cars is no longer a futuristic concept. It's becoming reality in cities across America and soon around the world. Waymo's global expansion represents a watershed moment in transportation, comparable to the shift from horse-drawn carriages to automobiles or the introduction of ride-sharing apps a decade ago. For cities, the implications are profound. Successful autonomous vehicle services could reduce the need for parking spaces, potentially transforming urban landscapes. Traffic patterns may become more efficient as AI-driven vehicles communicate and coordinate their movements. And for people who can't drive due to age, disability, or other factors, driverless cars offer a new level of mobility independence. We're witnessing the early days of a transportation revolution, with Waymo currently leading the charge. While widespread adoption will take time and face inevitable hurdles, the direction is clear. Autonomous vehicles are no longer just a promising technology. They're becoming an everyday reality in cities around the world. Would you get into a car with no driver? Have you ever seen a Waymo vehicle on the street where you live? Let me know in the comments section below. If you're fascinated by the future of transportation and want to stay ahead of these revolutionary developments, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Next up, we're covering the $25,000 pickup that could flip the EV industry on its head. The world of mobility is changing faster than ever, and whether these changes excite you or make you nervous, understanding them is the first step to navigating our autonomous future.